Predict value is partnership software for a specific operational decision, predicts mutual value creation potential from partnership opportunities. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that partnerships teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Predict value narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Predict value starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include strategic alignment, capability complementarity, cultural fit, market synergy, and financial upside. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate the strategic and cultural alignment score by combining strategic alignment, capability complementarity, and cultural fit with appropriate weightings, then scaling to a 0-100 range. Calculate the operational integration potential score based on capability complementarity and integration complexity, reflecting how well partners can work together operationally. Calculate the market growth and financial potential score by combining market synergy percentage and financial upside percentage with appropriate weightings. Calculate the risk adjustment multiplier based on risk level and integration complexity, where higher risk and complexity reduce the final value score. And calculate the final overall partnership value score by combining the strategic, operational, and market scores with standard weightings, then applying the risk adjustment multiplier. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how partnerships teams actually make decisions. Predict value returns structured outputs such as overall value score, strategic score, market score, risk adjustment, and dimension scores. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of predict value is not just automation, it is a controlled way to turn repeated partnerships work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.